Title: Canada's job market takes a dive, a sudden job loss when everyone expected gains. TLDR, in a shocking twist, Canada's economy lost 6,400 jobs in July instead of the expected gain, making analysts say whoops. And the Bank of Canada hit pause on interest rate hikes. Unemployment ticked up to 5.5%, but hey, who's counting? Let's dive into the numbers, shall we? Jobs, where art thou? Oh, Canada. The land of syrup, hockey, and normally dependable employment statistics decided to throw a curveball in July. When analysts were betting on a 21,100 job increase, Canada's economy said, nah, let's lose 6,400 jobs instead. Quite the party pooper, eh? So, what's going on? Well, the jobless rate inched up to 5.5%, right where experts predicted, but the unexpected job loss has analysts and market watchers scratching their heads. Central bank's reaction: put the brakes on interest rates. You might think that after raising its key overnight rate 10 times since March 2022, the Bank of Canada would be on a roll. But these job numbers have them slamming the brakes like they just spotted a moose in the road. With inflation acting like a naughty kid above its 2% target, the bank has been vigilant, lifting rates in June and July. Now, they're looking at the data like it's a puzzling hockey play and deciding to wait before making the next move. Is this a wise call, or are they overreacting? What do the markets think? Markets reaction: hold the phone, less chance of hiking. Before you all start calling your financial advisors, the money market's reaction has been, well, fairly chill. The chance of a rate hike in September has gone down from 32% to 28%. The probability of another rate hike by the end of the year has dipped from 80% to 60%. Doug Porter, chief economist at BMO Capital Markets, pointed to signs that the economy was starting to soften, like butter on warm pancakes. Unemployment has risen by 0.6 of a percentage point since July 2022. So, where does that leave us, dear Canadians and economy watchers? A Canadian conundrum: where do we go from here? The recent job loss is like a spilled poutine, messy and disappointing. But is it a sign of a bigger problem or just a blip on the radar? Canada's labour market, bolstered in part by strong immigration, has shown resilience, but these numbers raise eyebrows, and not just because of the cold weather. So, dear readers, here's the million-dollar question: Canadian dollars, of course, is this a one-off hiccup or a sign that Canada's economy is gearing up for a chilly season? And what's your move, Bank of Canada? Disclaimer: this article does not offer investment, economic, or financial advice. It's just an edgy and fun take on the news. Consult with a professional for any serious matters. Final thought-provoking question: if Canada's job market is acting like an unpredictable weather forecast, what measures should be taken to ensure stability? What can the regular folks do to weather this unexpected economic storm? And most importantly, will Canada's job market recover, or is this the start of a more worrisome trend? Let's get the conversation started.